Oh, oh snap. The small one strayed. Get back with the herd.
We're at the zoo and it's snowing!
Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone is doing well today. We did not see a bear last night, but we did have a great night's rest and an awesome breakfast this morning. My buddy Mike cooked some pancakes and some bacon, and hopefully we won't just want to take a nap when we get out there. But I wanted to show you guys our door to the cabin. I actually didn't notice this until last night. Kind of cool, kind of freaky at the same time, but wanted to show you guys what we found. So, anyone have a guess what these lines are? They're actually very deep. Definitely scratches. What put it over the top is the door handle. That's definitely bite marks. You see the underside. You can tell where a bear bit the door handle and scratched this panel. Thank goodness it's a metal panel, because behind this is glass, and I'm sure they put that up for better protection. All the other windows around are a lot higher, and around the house they're a lot higher off the ground, but I'm glad this is here because you can definitely tell a bear was scratching trying to get in, and bit the doorknob. Kinda cool, but kinda freaky at the same time. Got to see the scenery again, though. This is just so amazing to wake up to. It's really pretty out here. Got a little fire pit down here we didn't use, and the latrines back around here. But it's just an amazing, awesome place. Glad Mike brought me out here. It's a nice little hut too. This is one of the public use huts. And way back there, you can't see it because it's going to be too bright, there is the Eklutna Glacier. And actually, you can go take a long hike way back through there, and it'll take you all the way to Girdwood. You can go along the glacier, and it's a multiple day journey. We're definitely not up for that. So thanks to Mike. Got Little Mermaid stuck in my head. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Not the song you first think of when you're out hunting black bear in the woods.
I think that was your fault.
Is it my fault? Yeah, you're probably right.
There was another song.
Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. You said Under the Sea, right? And I said SpongeBob SquarePants.
I said in the sea.
Oh.
I think there's plenty of fish in the sea.
Yeah, okay, it is my fault then. It's my fault. Just as pretty out here today. You guys can, if you can see that, some wildfire over here at some point. Always sad to see, but it's natural, part of nature. So what we're doing here is taking this trail and constantly looking up here. This is kind of where all the black bears hang out, including the goats and the sheep. And they'll just kind of hang out up here and walk across and sometimes come down for water. But we're taking this trail to try to get to an open clearing that we were at yesterday that had a wide line of sight. We might just camp out there to see if anything comes along, or we might keep going deeper in the trail. We went pretty deep yesterday, but still didn't see any bears, so Mike does guarantee me seeing one. He said he's seen one every time he's come. So, crossing our fingers for today. So I have a question for some of you. Kind of like a quiz, although there's a lot of debate about this. If you were out in the woods and charged by a bear, would you A, grab your rifle, assuming you had a rifle, B, grab your handgun, assuming you had a handgun, or C, grab your bear spray, assuming you had bear spray? So which one would you grab on instinct first, you think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, we're about to step off the trail to go out here to this clearing, to be at the bottom, to be able to look up and have a much better line of sight. So we got a break trail and kind of cut through the brush to get down there. Right here's the opening that we went to yesterday for a little bit. It's a really good line of sight. See how wide open that is? Now we sit and wait with binoculars, see what we see. By the way, you like my sweet bed head? Looks nice, huh? Yeah, that's real nice. But you know what? Who cares out here, honestly? Hey guys, we see a bear. We're watching it to make sure it doesn't have any cubs. See if I can zoom in on it. It went right behind some brush. Can't see it right now. It went like right up in here. You see the sheep up there? Like under, there it is right there. You see the black right in the center of the screen? You see him moving. Black bear right there, going down. It's probably about 1,000 yards away. It's really far. There's no way we could get a shot on it. We'd have to move that way. We're watching it right now, though. Make sure it doesn't have any cubs or anything. We don't want to kill, so if she has some cubs. We only want the males or the motherless. It's cool, though. We finally saw one. The mosquitoes were getting really bad, too. It's almost like it's making its way up to the sheep. wonder what they'll do. I'll zoom back out so you guys can see how far away he is. Yeah, he's out there. He or she. There's no way to tell if it's a male or female. Really. If you can tell, then you're way too close. That's not a good thing. These mosquitoes are getting bad. There's the sheep up there again in the top right corner. There it goes right up to the sheep. See him running up there. No way that it'd take off. It's going after him. I know it looks like ants to you guys, but that's so cool to see. They're going up, the bear's going back down. Now it's going back up. They came out to like a little cliff and they're looking over. Just so awesome.
Yeah,
You guys can see it on that side, right at the edge of my finger. Mike's looking at it through the binoculars and says there's a pretty gnarly scar on its back. Maybe it's been shot before, just wounded, or got in a fight. I finally found a semi-flat spot I could put the tripod down, so I'm not wiggling around for you guys. Man, it's really going after those. See if I can rotate a little bit. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, snap.
Oh.
The small one strayed. Back with the herd.
This guy's committed. Is it just standing still right there?
Hmm?
Looks like it's trying to decide if it wants to keep going or not. That was really awesome to see. It's kind of gone into some brush, so we can't really see it right now. So we're gonna stay where we are still, just to see if it comes out or comes down. But it looks like it's given up after those sheep or goats, whatever they are. But that was still kind of cool to see and catch on camera. That poor baby almost lost it, but made it back to the herd. But that was awesome. We waited it out for a while, but the bear, we think, went into its den after it kind of gave up on chasing those sheep. We saw it go into some brush, and we haven't seen it come back out, and it's been a while, probably 45 minutes or so. So we're gonna get moving again. It's get a little cold when you're sitting still, especially on all these rocks. And we actually did hear some gunshots. Sounded like it was really far away, 3 in a row, so sounds like somebody else is out here hunting too. But we're gonna start moving again. So since I asked the question earlier about the bear, what would you grab if a moose charged you? You gotta be careful on this spot right here. If a moose charged you, would you A, grab a rifle, B, grab your gun, or C, grab your bear spray, or D, grab your camera? Just a hint, that's not D. That's why I didn't grab the camera when I saw the moose. I'm gonna make sure it went the other way and not toward us. Everyone is gonna have their opinion on what to grab, honestly. But I'm curious to know what you guys would think. Leave a comment down below what you would grab, and if you would do anything else when you saw the moose. What kind of moves you make or anything like that. No Googling. No cheating. Coming up on that lake that we saw yesterday. I think we don't see anything here, turn around. See if we see anything on the way back. Still don't see anything on this lake. Still beautiful though, with 2 ducks. They have a really pretty pattern. It was really cool seeing that bear though, I'll be honest. It was exciting, but nerve-wracking. Like when he turned around and started heading back toward us, felt a little bit of that adrenaline rush, being my first time. Did you feel that at all? Did you feel any nervousness when he turned around and started coming back?
For the bear?
Yeah. He's done this too many times to feel nervous.
It was far enough away.
Yeah, it was far away. It's just, I think when it went into that brush, I was watching like a hawk on that patch of brush, like just expecting it to pop out all of a sudden, a lot closer to us, but probably has its den in there. It didn't come out. So maybe we'll see it on the way back in one of the clearings. Alright guys, we are back at our hut. We're gonna cook some dinner because we are starving. It's been a long day. We're really tired, so we'll probably go to bed early, but it was an awesome day. I had an awesome time seeing that bear. I was excited and just honestly really nervous when it turned around and started heading back toward us. But that was just so cool watching that black bear kind of chase after those goats or lambs, whatever those were. It was really cool to watch. I can't wait to see what that looks like when I get into editing, which by the time you see this, what I'm saying now, you would have already seen it. So I hope I got some good footage with that, even though it was zoomed in as far as it could go, which I know can get really kind of small and grainy. But today was awesome. I hope we see some more tomorrow, and I hope you guys are doing well. But I hope you guys also have the opportunity to do something like this one day too, for anyone that comes up to Alaska or anywhere else that has black bear. But hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.